6 things men secretly love about women but won't tell you. Hey there. Today we're diving into a topic that often goes unspoken yet plays a huge role in building stronger, happier relationships. What is it that men absolutely love about women? Let's stick around and you might just uncover a secret or two that will deepen your bond and make your relationship more fulfilling. Number 1, playfulness. First on the list is playfulness. A lighthearted, joking attitude and a bit of harmless flirting can go a long way. Men find it incredibly attractive when women don't take everything too seriously. This carefree nature exudes a youthful, magnetic charm that draws them in. So don't be afraid to crack a joke, tease a little, or just enjoy the moment with your partner. Number 2, making him feel needed and wanted. Men love to feel needed and wanted. Deep down, many men have an innate desire to provide and protect. It's not about being dependent on them, but rather letting them know that their care and support are valued. A simple thank you or acknowledgement of their efforts can make all the difference. It makes them feel like they're contributing to the relationship in a meaningful way. Number 3, being able to compromise. Let's be honest, none of us are right all the time, no matter how much we'd like to think so. Compromise is a cornerstone of any successful relationship. Men appreciate women who are open to meeting halfway and finding solutions together. It shows maturity, respect, and a willingness to grow together, which are all traits of a strong partnership. Number 4, wanting to see him happy. One thing men truly admire is when women genuinely want to see them happy. It's the small, thoughtful gestures, like cooking his favorite meal, leaving him a sweet note, or simply asking about his day with genuine interest. These little acts of kindness speak volumes and show how much you care. Number 5, femininity. Femininity isn't just about appearance. It's about embracing your soft, nurturing side. Being kind, caring, and compassionate can create a warm and loving environment that men are naturally drawn to. Remember, every relationship thrives on balance, and showing this side of yourself can create harmony. Number 6, kindness. Lastly, let's talk about kindness. It's often said that kindness and generosity are the glue that holds relationships together. Being kind doesn't just mean being sweet to your partner. It's about showing empathy, patience, and understanding, even in tough moments. This is what builds trust and a deep emotional connection. So there you have it, the little things that make a big difference in relationships. Playfulness, compromise, kindness, and showing that you care go a long way in creating a connection that lasts. What are your thoughts on these? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you think will love it. So subscribe to my channel